Hello everyone, my name is Oma Guerrero, and in today's how-to video, I will do a quick overview on how to check when a VAWA applicant can concurrently file for their adjustment of status, or in other words, their green card. We'll start off by going onto the USCIS website. Once there, we'll go onto their search bar, and we'll type in VAWA. We'll go to abused spouse, children, and parents. And we will scroll down until we see applying for a green card. On here, you'll see that a person can apply concurrently for a green card when there is an immigrant visa available to them. As a general rule, those that are applying through a U.S. citizen always have a visa available to them, so they can always concurrently file for a green card. However, those applying for VAWA through a legal permanent resident would have to actually see if a visa is available to them. How do we do that? Well, first, we have to check the visa bulletin. The visa bulletin changes every month, so you would have to check every month to see when their application becomes current. So we're going to first go to July 2023, because that's the most recent one. We're going to look at the category that they're in. And for the most part, it will be spouses and children of legal permanent residents. Children means under 21. So that is an F2A category. You will go down and look for an F2 category. This one is for final notices, so we won't focus on this one. We're actually going to focus on chart B, F2, and then we'll see where they fall. If they're from any of these countries, so if they're from China, India, Mexico, and Philippines, they have different priority dates than everybody else. But as you can see right now, everyone in the F2A category is current, meaning that there's a visa available to them at all times. But let's say they fell under a different category, in this case, the F1. As you can see, between India and Mexico, they have different priority dates, meaning that right now, if you are under the F1 category and you're from India, immigration is currently processing applications that were submitted before September 2017. Well, if you're from Mexico, they're currently processing applications that were submitted before January 1st, 2003. Priority date is usually the date of submission. You can always find that on the notice that you received from USCIS. And thank you all for joining me today.